Over the past 7 years, we have been engaged in a conversation with e-shoppers all across Europe, more than 24,000 per year. And in those conversations, we tried to understand how people purchase online, what are their motivations, what are their pain points, but also the role that delivery plays in building a very positive experience overall. This year, we decided to do the same, so to engage in a conversation, but this time with companies. Companies who receive parcels as part of their daily business activities. 11 markets were covered, 11 countries from Western to Central and Eastern Europe. In those countries, we discussed with big companies, 32 of them to be precise, but also with smaller companies, so SMEs, 2,200 of them. And in order to make sure that we were representative of the richness of companies that we have in Europe, we made sure we covered fashion, food, but also industry, automotive, healthcare. So we wanted to understand all there is to know about SMEs and big companies in terms of choosing their suppliers. So in terms of sourcing, what are the channels that they use, how they reach out to specific suppliers, the things that motivate them to choose, or the barriers that block them from choosing a specific supplier, where those suppliers are based, inside, outside of Europe, maybe just in their own country, but also then the types of deliveries that they use and the reasons they do so. First of all, delivery is a key driver of success for SMEs in terms of business. Secondly, we also noticed that safe, on-time deliveries are key. Thirdly, SMEs have a good level of satisfaction with delivery, so the delivery processes nowadays. Last but not least, digital and human represent the future in terms of expectations from SMEs and big companies in terms of delivery. Let's not forget the drivers. The driver is definitely something very much key to the success of the deliveries. SMEs, lots of them, 77%, tell us that they prefer to know the driver, because if the driver knows the company where he or she delivers, they know who to call when no one is there, they know exactly where to go. So human and digital definitely complementing each other, and major expectations from SMEs and big companies for the future.